Welcome to Josna's channel, and this is what I want to say. So Modi ji always says that Swachh Bharat, and I say that it starts right at home. So cleaning is must in every household to keep the kitchen free of insects, bugs, fruit flies, roaches, and ants. So, for that purpose, we have to clean the kitchen and keep it tidy. So, let's start with the refrigerator today. So, before going for your grocery, a day before, you should check with your refrigerator and see what food is stored, what vegetables are stored, so we don't get to add on the same vegetables again. And there are few do's and don'ts when it comes to refrigeration, because the every food has its shelf life. I don't want you to use food which is stored in the refrigerator for more than 5 days. Just get rid of it, and don't stack a lot of food in your refrigerator. Use glass containers for food and not plastic containers. And when you remove food from refrigerator and want to microwave it, put the food in glass bowl before you microwave it. So these are all healthy habits one should know. And if you are thinking that it's a boring activity, no, it's a very interesting activity. Let's do it. So let's start our cleaning. These are my refrigerators. I'm just going to clean this one because most of my grocery goes into this. So I'm going to show you there is a lot of clutter right now. See, there is a lot of clutter in the freezer, and there is also some clutter here. So I need to clean this up, and let's start. So here I'm going to check all the expiry dates and then wipe it clean. I'm going to make a solution of 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 drop of hand wash. So this is lukewarm water with uh, baking soda and 1 drop of hand wash. This is one clean banyan cloth, and this is one washcloth. We need these. Let's empty this. Now I'm going to just wipe it clean. First I'm going to remove all the moisture as much. I'm using little warm water in this, and I'm cleaning the whole place. That's it. It is very easy. And then I'm going to use that moist cloth. My refrigerator is very clean because I clean it every 15 days or max 1 month. Look at that. I arranged everything. It's wiped and clean. Yay! Let's start here. Look at this first level. It is clean. It took me nearly 10 minutes. Level 2. My level 2 is clean, and it took me another 10 minutes. Now, I cleaned up the third level, and it is all clean and back in its place, easy to find. And it took almost half an hour for the whole refrigerator. Look at my door, it is arranged so well. My masalas and my what you call dips and milk, everything is done. So I'm going to wipe it from outside now, and my job is done. So I'm going to use this same water on this washcloth, and let's wipe it. So I'm going to wipe this first, and then with a dry banyan cloth. So it's going to go clean. Look at that. I wiped it with a dry cloth, and it is sparkling clean. No fingerprints. This is good.